Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying accounts because family sharing links Apple ID. This avoids duplicate purchases and sync errors. Once each person has an Apple ID and devices are updated, open Settings and tap your name. Make sure the organizer has a valid payment method that enables shared purchases. Tap Family Sharing, then add member and choose Invite via iMessage or enter their Apple ID. Do this now so devices can automatically share eligible subscriptions and purchases as soon as members accept. Once members accept, configure which resources to share and why each matters. Go to Family Sharing Settings and toggle Purchases, iCloud Plus, Location Sharing, and Subscriptions so everyone benefits without repeated payments. If minors are included, enable Ask to Buy to approve purchases from the organizer. This protects budgets and prevents accidental charges. Also set up a shared photo album and family calendar for coordination, and add Apple Cash Family if you want controlled allowances or instant transfers between members. Finish by reviewing each member's devices. Open Settings, verify iCloud, Media and Purchases, and confirm the purchase sharing toggle is active. Make sure shared subscriptions appear in their App Store subscriptions list. If something fails, sign the person out of Apple ID then back in. This often refreshes entitlements. For location or Find My Problems, confirm permissions and correct date/time on devices. If a child's Ask to Buy isn't working, recheck family role and parental controls to restore proper approvals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.